Are you about to become a new dad and feeling overwhelmed? There's a whirlwind of emotions that comes with this life-changing news. The initial excitement is like a burst of sunshine, a joyful surprise that fills your heart to the brim. You start to imagine the soft cooing sounds, the first steps, the first words, the love that will grow and deepen with each passing day. But then, a sudden realization sets in. You're going to be a parent. Your life is about to be transformed in ways you've never anticipated. Responsibilities that were once abstract concepts now become tangible, and the fear of the unknown can hit like a tidal wave. It's a journey that cuts across cultures, backgrounds, and lifestyles. Diverse couples around the world share in this universal experience. Let's take a moment to breathe. This journey might seem daunting, but you're not stepping into it alone. Remember, it's okay to feel overwhelmed. You're not alone. So, the pregnancy test is positive. Now what? Now, it's time to step up and be there for your partner in every possible way. Pregnancy is a life-changing event that affects both partners involved, not just the one carrying the baby. Remember, your partner is about to go through a whirlwind of physical and emotional changes, and they will need your unwavering support and understanding. From morning sickness to mood swings, from food cravings to fatigue, the changes can be overwhelming. Take time to understand these changes. Read about them, talk to other new parents, join prenatal classes. Your partner is not alone in this journey, and neither are you. Be there, listen, comfort, and reassure. Be a shoulder to lean on and a hand to hold. Remind your partner that they are strong, that they are doing an incredible job, and that you'll be there every step of the way. After all, your partner's pregnancy is not just her journey, it's yours too. Ever wondered how to prepare for baby's arrival? Well, let's dive right in. The journey of pregnancy unfolds in stages, each with its own unique wonders and challenges. Regular baby appointments are essential, offering a chance to monitor the baby's growth and mom's health, while also providing a forum for your questions and concerns. These appointments are your golden opportunity to build a bond with your healthcare provider and gain valuable insights. Now, on to the baby's basic needs. Babies may be small, but they require a lot. From clothing and diapers to feeding supplies and a safe place to sleep, your shopping list might seem endless. Don't forget to set up a nursery that's comfortable, practical, and filled with love. Lastly, safety should be your topmost priority. Baby-proofing your home is a must, ensuring every corner is safe for your little one to explore. Preparation is key to welcoming your new bundle of joy. The clock is ticking. Are you ready for D-Day? Let's talk about your hospital bag. You'll want to pack a few essentials: a change of clothes, toiletries, snacks, and of course, the all-important car seat for the ride home. But beyond the material items, remember to bring along a calm and supportive demeanor. This is a time of great change and emotion, and your partner will need your unwavering support. You may feel a rush of different emotions as the day unfolds. That's perfectly normal. From anticipation to nervousness, from excitement to fear, it's all part of this incredible journey. And then, the moment arrives. The first time you hold your little one in your arms, the softness of their skin, the warmth of their tiny body. It is a moment of pure, indescribable joy. And when you hold your baby in your arms, every worry melts away, replaced with a love like no other.